Hey there, just going for a bit of a walk around Chiang Rai. And I am actually looking for some lunch, so perhaps I'll come back there. Don't really want to spend too much money. I went out yesterday for lunch with a friend and we decided on a sushi restaurant. Wow. That cost a fair few baht, that did. Anyway, you only live once. There's an Irish pub around here somewhere. Not sure that, there it is right there. With the Guinness sign out the front. Not sure I'll eat there, but I do want to look at the menu. Let's go and check it out. The football up there. Couldn't really tell you who's playing. I've got plenty of stuff here. Let's have a look. Unreasonable prices. Hello. Thank you so much. Nice big Chang beer and a nice cold glass. Now I'm not going to go Thai food today. Whoa, I'm not going to go Thai food today. I don't often do food stuff, but why not? Once in a while. Only one sausage. Oh well, let's hope it's nice. Well, that was lunch. It was okay. Was it worth it? Nah, not really. So, pretty disappointed with only one sausage, one banger on it. It says bangers in mash. I think there'd be more than one. Anyway, it was filling. Let's put it that way. Come and buy yourself a brand new scooter. Wonder how much they are. Wish I knew. I don't. And there's the Honda dealership just over the road. So, Chiang Rai, the area population, so in the general area, is 200,000 people. But in the city itself, population just under 70,000 people. So it makes it a decent sized city. Coffee shop. And another coffee shop. Quite a few. That's a dispensary, if you know what I mean. Rebel House Barber Shop. What is that, like a bikie club barber shop or something? I don't know. Little tiny electric scooters. I don't think you'd need a license to drive one of them, to ride one of them around Chiang Rai or many other Asian countries. I think under 50cc or the equivalent, you're allowed to ride whatever you want. Yet another motorbike shop. This is the street. Forget the motorbike. There's a motorbike shop that I go past quite often. It has one of the Africa twins in the window. Not like this one. The Africa twin is quite a big bike. And yes, I would like to have one of them. I'd love to just cruise around. Very difficult process, I believe. Not only would I have to I think I would have to buy the bike in Australia and then ship it over to Asia, and then you can figure out how to get about from one country to another. Once you've done that, which sure, that wouldn't be too hard. Yeah, you might find a few countries that may not be too desirable to ride through. I'm sure there's a way around it. But from what I gather, you need to get what's called a Chiang Rai to enter your bike into another country and then exit it on the other side. It needs to be signed off upon arrival and upon exit of a particular country. And okay, that can be done. And you also need insurance specific for each country that you're taking your motorbike through. Again, that can be done. So, I think that probably for me, the most difficult part would be to ship it from Australia to a starting point, perhaps Vietnam. There's a supermarket. Looks like another. Oh yes. Reggae Home and Bar. It's a nice quiet little back street actually. Tiny little restaurant there. It's a good thing about this place, or any of the Asian cities I've been to. There's such a diversity of places you can eat. Pretty much get anything you want. You know, Thai, you can get Thai in Vietnam, and you can get your fast foods, Mexican foods, in just about any country you go to, which is pretty good in my opinion. A bit of variety is always nice. Lagata Pizzeria and Wine Bar. Nice. That's what I mean. That's what you can get. Dance music. I reckon that's a club. Club open late at night, which is where you're not going to find me. Got to be a talker, he just do what he pleases. And back to O'Kane's, the Irish restaurant with the only passable bangers and mash. Nice beer though, cold beer. And yet another motorbike store. And another cafe. It's everything. Everything you could need. And another motorbike store. Hello, how are you? Now, speaking of motorbikes, where did I park mine? What a rustic looking place this one is. I think that's a Japanese restaurant. Shabu sounds Japanese. What I came to look at is these. Oh, that one's a little bit beaten up. So it might not be new. No, it's not new. But I would like one of them. Or this. Again, it's second hand. Oh, it's closed. Just going to go in and ask how much it was. And a BMW. So there you have it. Maybe someday in the future you can log in and watch me ride around some country, a big Africa twin. Alright, in the meantime I'll get back on this little thing and dream. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like it. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again. Bye bye.